A very good afternoon, class 7th. As you know, we are on our chapter 16. So today we will do how to draw the net of 3D shapes. Net drawing for 3D shapes. 3D shapes represents here the shapes which has 3 dimensions. All the shapes which has 3 dimensions. And what are these 3 dimensions? Length, breadth and height. That is 3 dimensions. Right? So for 3D shapes, the best example is, as I shown you yesterday also, the best example in 3D, in your day-to-day life, you can take duster also. This duster is also our best example for 3D shapes. How? This side of the duster tells you about its length. This side tells you about its breadth. And this side of the duster, this corner, will tell you about its height. Right? So in your day-to-day life, the best example for 3D shape is duster. Now, what do you mean by the net? A net is the visual representation of a hollow 3D shape. If it were opened our flat, the concept of net is used in packing industry. So how net works, beta? Net में क्या होता है? जैसे you will see this cover of ink bottle. This one. How you will draw it? This is also the example of 3D. How? This one tells you. This side will tell you its length. This tell you its breadth. And this corner will tell you its height. If it is like this. Now it change like this one. Then also it will remain same length, breadth and height. So you will open it. This one if I tear from between also, मैं यहाँ से इसको tear करती हूँ. Then when I start covering it, first join here, second here and this side. From this side it is closed. I can put the bottle from this side and when I close it, then this is a closed box, right? So how with the open one I make a closed figure. This is known as the net for this cover of this bottle, right? Same like this, there are net for 3D shapes, that is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, triangular pyramid, your square pyramid, all are having the net. And these net we will discuss here in this video. Right? These nets we will discuss in our today's video. Right beta? So firstly हम start करते हैं with the net of cube. So students see that properly how I am drawing the net, because today we will discuss the net of 16 figures. Today we will discuss the net of 16 figures, and on the basis of these net you will do exercise 16.2 yourself. Right? So see here. First net is net of cube. Net of cube. So this side I am drawing the figure of the cube, and this side I will draw its net. Figure of cube, you know. You can say cube is the mixture of two squares because all sides are equal here. Like this one. Now, how to draw its net? So as I told you, how many faces are there of cube? 6 faces we have discussed. So we will draw 6 square box. How many draw? 6 square box. And this pattern you will take 4 in a series and 2 opposite sides to make this one. इस फेस के लिए आप क्या करोगे? Opposite sides like see here. First, then second. ये second जैसे up आएगा, ये side boxes side में आएंगी. Then ये आपका क्या होगा? देखो इस साइड से ये ऐसे आएगा, इट विल गो लाइक दिस एंड ये इसको साइड में बैलेंस करेंगे, राइट? दिस फेस एंड दिस वन. नाउ कवर करने के लिए अपर के लिए वी विल ड्रॉ वन मोर हियर. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द नेट ऑफ क्यूब. नेट ऑफ क्यूब. हाउ इट वर्क्स? ये आपका बेस पॉइंट है, ये इट विल मेक साइड ऑफ दिस वन, ये साइड में आ जाएगा लाइक दिस पोर्शन, like these two are the supportive system of this one. So these will come like this and this back will like this and front आपका जो middle one है it will remain same this one. ये इस side से it will come and this one will work as your cover, right? If you want to see the real net of cube, you can take the cake box also. Cake box also. These are the for the net of cube and cuboid. These are the best example. क्यूब के लिए आप पेस्ट्री या केक का बॉक्स ले लीजिए, right? And for cuboid also. Now second net that we will discuss is the net of cuboid. Net of cuboid. So same बच्चे, firstly हम क्या करेंगे? We will do figure. Cuboid में remember this thing, edges are different. So one you can take bigger one, and one you want to take, you can take small one also. Like this one. Same I told you. How many figures? How many faces in cuboid? 6. क्यूबॉइड में डिफरेंस क्या होगा? जस्ट डिफरेंस ऑफ द ब्रेथ. दिस इज ऑफ क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड विल लाइक दिस. This one first, the base, right? Second one, these are the sides. Then this one. This side also it will be the side smaller, length bigger. Now cover upper side से आएगा, this will, ये same आपका सेम लेंथ का होगा, राइट? फर्स्टली ये सेंटर वन, ये दोनों आपके साइड कवर करेंगे. दिस वन लाइक दिस एंड इट विल कम अप फ्रॉम अप साइड, राइट? So this will be the net of cuboid. Clear? See it? Net of cube and cuboid. The difference is only cube equal squares and cuboid are of rectangle. Third one is cylinder. And net of cylinder is very easy. Net of cylinder is very easy. Figure of cylinder is like this. Same like this, net is very easy. One rectangle figure and these circle. One for up, one for down. और आप इसको जब रोटेट करेंगे स्ट्रेट एजेस को, like take this one. When you rotate it, आप इस एंड को इस एंड से ज्वाइन करवाएंगे, so it will rotate like this and join, और ये इस शेप में आएगा. ये आपका अपर पार्ट है, ये डाउन पार्ट है, राइट? सो नेट ऑफ सिलेंडर इज वेरी इजी. Now we will discuss the fourth one, that is net of cone. Net of cone. Shape of cone is like this, triangle, and at down it has circle. Your birthday cap like. For this one, the net is like this. Like this one. ये रोटेशन के लिए आपका. Then here one circle. Then here one circle. When you join it from both the side, यहाँ पे staple होता है आपका middle में. It will take the shape of this, and at last this one is the circle which it has. Right? So this is about the net of cone. Clear, beta? These are the four net we have discussed till now. That is, first one is net of cube. Second one is net of cuboid. Third one is net of cylinder, and the fourth one is net of cone. After this, your net started of pyramid and prism. I hope these four nets are clear, how they work, how you draw it. Now we will come to the net of pyramid. Net of pyramids. Remember one point, that every solid shape have different net based on the way it is cut. वो किस basis पे होते हैं, how they cut it. But the number of the faces in all the net of a solid shape is always same. Number of faces. Remember the point? Shape is different, but the number of the faces remain the same. Like in this, we have learned 6 number of faces. 6 faces are there. In cylinder 2 faces, 1, 2. Curved edge है 1, हम उसको curve करेंगे. Right? Now next we will discuss about pyramids. See, pyramids are also like your triangle, but pyramids have the height. You have seen some movies. The one is, I have not remembered the name of the movie, but there are so many pyramids are in that movie shown. Pyramids shapes are like triangle. They are also having the figure like triangle. Right? So we will discuss about the type of pyramids and about their net. We will discuss about the types of pyramid and about their net. Right? So first we will go with the triangular pyramid. First we will go with the triangular pyramid, that is the net of triangular pyramid will be one triangle, one simple triangle, and inside of it, इसके अंदर ही क्या होगा, one reverse triangle. Net of triangular pyramid is one straight triangle, and inside of that one opposite triangle. Right? After that, second one is square pyramid. Second one is square pyramid. So beta, net of square pyramid is, firstly, how we call it square pyramid? Because here it has square, here it has square at the end, and then triangle, or you can say the pyramid on up it. So we will call it square pyramid, and इसका net होगा that will be square in center, then from all side one triangle like this. This will be the net of square pyramid. Then the net of rectangular pyramid. See, they all are joined with their name, rectangular pyramid. Means one rectangle. See here, rectangle is in between, and one triangle is at their corners. Remember one point, beta. Here I am not having scale, or I am drawing with the marker, but when you draw it in your notebook, there you have to keep proper measurement with scale. Remember this point. When you draw in the notebook, there you have to keep proper measurement of the square and rectangle. Now the fourth one is pentagonal pyramid. Fourth one is pentagonal pyramid. See, as name tells us, pentagon. Pentagon has how many sides? 5. Pentagon has 5 sides. 3, 4 and 5th one. Right? Now, you will draw angle on every side. This one and this one. That's why the name of this pyramid is pentagonal pyramid. Right? Next one, fourth is hexagonal pyramid. It is also like same. Fifth one is hexagonal pyramid. ये भी same है बेटा. As name tell us, hexagonal means first we have to draw the figure which has 6 number of sides. How many number of sides? 6. Right? So firstly we draw a shape like this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now draw the triangle on these. See, as I told you in the starting, pyramids are like triangle, but difference between triangle and pyramid is just pyramids have the height. Pyramids have the height and triangle have only length and, not length and breadth, base. After that, one more, that sixth one is octagonal pyramid, and I will tell you, you will draw yourself. Sixth one net आप खुद draw करेंगे, that is octagonal pyramid. And for that, best is firstly see the name, octagonal. Octagonal means any figure which has 8 sides. So firstly you will draw the figure which has 8 sides and then draw the triangle on every side. Right? So pyramid's shape is very easy. Triangular one complete triangle, then inside opposite triangle. Square pyramid, middle one square, and on the 4 edges you will draw the triangle. Rectangular pyramid is also easy. Same with this, your work is draw heptagonal pyramid, net of heptagonal pyramid, decagon pyramid and nonagon pyramid. Right? You will draw this net in your notebook. Note down it fast, you have 2 minutes. After that we will discuss about prism. After this we will discuss about prism. The net of prism, how we will draw it. So about prism beta you have studied in your science book also. What is prism, how it works, right? See, prism has triangular. First we will discuss about triangular prism, square prism, rectangular prism and pentagonal prism, and after that hexagonal prism, heptagonal prism, octagon. This you will do yourself, right? So we will discuss about these 4 prism, net of these prism, that is. See how you will draw the net of triangular prism. Triangular prism. Triangular prism has like this type of shape. आपका जो प्रिज्म होता है वो इस टाइप से है बेटा. फ्रंट में बैक में रेक्टेंगल है, देन दिस साइड front and back with triangle, right, and this side is of rectangle type. So how we will draw? First we will draw 3 rectangles. Why? One this side, one is another side, and one is down side, right? So draw 3 rectangles, and then at last in the middle one what comes? Triangle. In the middle one what comes? Triangle, because these have what they have? Triangle at the starting and at the back. Now square prism. Square is here, and then it will like this, right? So how you will draw the net of this square prism? This will be simple. This firstly 4 square box, 1, 2, 3 and 4th one. 1, 2, 3 and one is at the down side, 4th one, and 2 these small square boxes. See, it will also work like you have drawn the net of cube. ये भी आपका little bit similar है cube और cuboid से. Next one is a rectangular prism. So rectangular prism has all figures of a rectangle same like this. Rectangular prism, its net is also same like we have done the net of cuboid. This one is the main one, then its sides will be less like this, and the next one is again its cover back, and these are the 2 sides, right? This one is the figure of rectangle prism, and the next one is of pentagonal prism. So pentagonal prism has how many sides? 5. So see here, pentagonal prism, 1, this one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many sides are there? 5. And at this middle one, for the starting point we will draw one pentagon. Same you will do with octagon, hexagon. At the middle one, which you making the main, at the surface of these, this is pentagon, so I will draw here pentagon. If you have to draw hexagon, here you will draw hexagon figure, heptagon, then you will draw the heptagon. Clear beta? So this is about the net of few shapes. So today we have done the net of 3D shapes, how you will draw these, right? And in this, on the basis of today's net, you will do exercise 16.2, which is very easy. You have to just choose the correct net for the shapes given, that is cube, cuboid, right? So what is net? A net is a cutout shapes with a flat surface. Net is a cutout shapes with a flat surface which when we fold it make the 3D shapes. When we fold it, जब हम उसको fold करेंगे, what it makes? It makes 3D shapes. Right, Piche? So today we over with this, and your homework is do exercise 16.2. After this, if anyone have any problem in this exercise, you can comment and ask. Okay, Vichar?